Hello, my name is Sean Winfrey. I'm a program manager for Collins Aerospace. I've found that the customer's needs are many. So you have the desire for quality, you need to have maintainability, you need to have something that's going to last in service, and also that's going to satisfy your customer base. So the features that the Lufthansa First Class Allegris suite has that's above and beyond what other customers have: a very large 43-inch monitor in the center suite. The seats also have an active heating and cooling system, which is also a first of its kind to be flying on an aircraft. The first class cabin for Allegris is very comfortable because the seat itself has a multi-layered comfort system. So we have standard urethane in the cushions, and also there is a layer of memory foam to add to the comfort. And in the backrest, you have an air bladder, and this air bladder in the vertical position is able to add additional support for your back. When you go into the bed position, you're able to reduce the pressure in the air bladder, and it gives an area for your shoulder to actually sink into the backrest and to give you a more comfortable sleeping position. So the challenges that we faced with the first class suite were more in regards to how we take the vision from Priestman Good and also from Lufthansa and bring that to reality into a product that we're able to manufacture and deliver and meet all the requirements. So one example of this is the armrest that you see. They have to be able to open inside of the envelope of the armrest itself, meaning that it cannot open and contact the product that's next to it or the wall. You can see with these walls, they're 70 inches tall, and inside of the suite, all of the walls are covered in a soft covering with fabric and foam. So even though the walls are not sound deadening, you have that feeling that you are in a quiet environment. So for the working conditions in the first class Allegris suite, as you can see, we have a very large meal table. And this meal table offers the opportunity for a notebook, laptop. You can have your mouse, your phone, whatever is necessary, as if you were in your office working at your desk. So it should offer the passenger the opportunity to get a lot of work done if that's what they would like to do during the flight. So in reference to reliability testing, Collins Aerospace always has a very aggressive reliability test program. But in regards to the Lufthansa Allegris suite, we worked closely with Lufthansa to develop an even more extensive reliability testing plan. For the seat, it will be cycled for 100,000 cycles. Now this represents more than 6 years in operation, which is much more than the seat will actually ever be operated. But it gives us as a company the opportunity to identify any weak points in the seat and be able to address those before the customer sees that in service. So dealing with different airplane models for a similar product is in regards to the footprint that's allowed on the aircraft itself. So for example, this suite has been designed for the A350-900 product, and it has a certain dimension from left to right. When this product is put on an A330, it's a much narrower footprint on the aircraft. So you have to take some of the dimensions and some of the materials inside of the suite and reduce the width in order to fit that in that footprint. So in reference to my vision for where first class is going in the future, I can see opportunities for sensors being integrated into the suite that can test things like your drink being nearly empty and notifying the cabin attendant before you have to press the button, or even more of the virtual reality type configurations where you can change and control the suite via the handheld devices. This is the Allegris First Class Suite for Lufthansa Airlines. This is your perfect match.